Kai, my people. No be small thing, oh my people. Make una carry una joko. They sit down, come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one. Finish. I know say most of una know this man. So one I dey see for my screen here. Elena Papa J, aka Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin. This prophecy, so when I won't leave una, make una watch. They come from my people. No be small thing, no. Over next year coming presidential election, my people. This prophecy when Papa J release, my people. No be small thing, no, na shocking prophecy. No be small matter. Make una carry una joko, they listen to this one. May no come be say I too talk. Make una regade.
Prophecy is about Nigerian forthcoming presidential election. Mark it. Mark it. People may ask. Everybody is now looking for who to win and who am I going to vote for. But I want to tell you something that which the Lord warned me. I come back again. I'm just reminding you some few prophecies. The former presidential election, and also told you about what happened, the last one. How the presidential election was postponed. Even second to the hour of voting, they will postpone election. That's what I said, and really, it was postponed. But this is another one. Prophecy. Listen to me, viewers all over the world, wherever you are. My message to you, write it down. Internet shall never ever forgotten. Now listen. This how I am not about the people that who are contesting. The Lord said there is something that's going to happen that which I want to let you know as an expo that's coming up. I don't have interest of the people that who want to win. I'm not going there. Where I am going is this. The election started. Before the election, I don't know, we are all brothers. I don't know why we are killing each other. Before the election, killing has started. Killing going to start. They were going to attack each other. They're going to attack each other. Bloods are sharing. This is called attacks. Before the main presidential election, the day of the presidential election, something happened. The only thing that happened that surprised me in the realm of the spirit, the Lord said I should pray for the youth. Pray for the youth. And also pray for the government, Nigeria. What is about to happen? I'm seeing youth fighting against youth. Youth killing youth. Presidential election that's forthcoming 2023. I'm seeing pilot units have been destroyed. I am seeing what is called gunshots. People were running. Gunshots. I am seeing this place of these units are now on fire. I'm seeing this is called another thing we call it. This is called, I don't know. The main points. Brother is killing brother. Officers are also fighting the youth, and the youth are fighting the officers. I repeat, officers are fighting the youth, and the youth are fighting. What are you looking for? It is blood. Bloods are there. Guns. guns. The mean thing is this: the election was made. When the election was made, I'm seeing only two people that contesting. Two people contesting. In other words, the two people that who are the mean people. And these two people that contesting, physically you are seeing three, but two that have the fights. And these two people are contesting. Suddenly somebody won. When the person won, as people were now shouting, another media just came and superseded the media that first making noise. First of all, listen to me well. They will announce somebody that who is going to win. And when the person wins, then another person, another media was just taking place everywhere, taking place. We don't win, no, they don't win, no. Before you know, another one come up from nowhere. Announcements just come and supersede. Boom. The other one silence. And I saw another presidential candidate taking another presidential candidate. We must go to court. We must go to where? We must go to what? Trouble started. Everywhere. No, we don't agree. No way. Runoff. Let's go to runoff. Let's go for by-election. That's when they were doing like this, they counsel some areas that where they voted, some local governments cannot even vote. Some places they even not vote. But announcements, two announcements. The first one, the people will now say, hey, we don't win, oh, we don't win, oh, we don't win, oh. Malaka! Suddenly, that's meaning of Malaka. Another one come up. The force was too much, so the other one cannot withstand it. But what I want to tell you, people, even sick, the Lord told me, even sick that won the seats, count 6 months from the swearing in, there must be a changes. The Lord has heard our cry. What you are passing through this year, what you have passed through for the past days, that nobody can control, everybody crying. But this person that who will be at the seat, who will be at the seat, 6 months, 6 months, the things have started changing for good, not for bad. For good, for good, for good. Is God that want to put somebody there that in order to now to save us, I don't after parties. I hereby pray for the forthcoming election. The blood, we are all brothers. There's no need a brother to kill a brother. Now, the thing that's going to happen again, I will still let you people know. Any information that comes, I will see continue. Therefore, the person that who listen to this one well, who wins, that person that who wins needs prayer. After the person started changing is coming up. Powers began to now start fighting the man. Nigeria, the presidential.
Che, una don listen to the prophecy, my people. Not be smarting, oh, not be smarting at all. As I cross this one, I met like Idodomido. I was choctolized. Not be small matter. My people, make una share this video. Make una share am to una mama or everybody, brothers or sisters, tigbogbo, and make una not forget to thumbs up, my people. Now here now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao everyone. Bye.